Hi, welcome. Alethea here, Sailor on Sewing. I went through my starch again. This is a great time to get in on the summer sewing fun. So I went through and I got these 6 patterns, and let's go through them. First is a KnowMe pattern, and it's rated easy. As you can see, it's a dress. You can color block it, and it's ME 2076. Short or long version, looking really nice. It look like it's a nice breezy dress. It can be color blocked, as you can see here. Here is the line art. Some is winding up. The next one is Butterick 6946. This pattern has both the top and the bottom. So I thought that was good. And it's even rated easy. Here is your line art. Look at the shorts. You have the short, and the long. And short sleeve blouse, or roll the blouse up with a button, or the long with a button down shirt. And this pattern is rated easy. Butterick 6946. So here's my all-time favorite. I made this pattern before. You have skirts and 2 versions or 2 choices of bell bottoms. 2 pockets on the back or 1. Your short or long skirt. And it's so easy to sew. And here is your line art. And that's Simplicity 9751. Summer has rolled in and it's rolling out fast. This is the last time to join the summer fun. This is a color block dress. It's a So Simple McCall's, and I got this from Walmart for $2.97. And it shows you in their directions where to place each color of fabric or selection of fabric to get this effect on the dress. It's calling for 3 yards of fabric, so you have 2 choices, or they showed you 2 options here how you can mix and match your fabric. It will be a great what am I trying to say? It will be a great, all the loose or leftover fabric that you have, you can use it to color block this dress. And it doesn't have a rating on it. Here is the line art. And in the layout, it shows you how to lay it out and where to lay the particular fabric. So you can get rid of your scraps of fabric with this dress. And this is Simplicity. I'm sorry, McCall's. And it has a style number on it, L9604. I don't know whether it's even still available, but I thought that was a good thing to get rid of your scraps of fabric. So moving on, Simplicity 3067, different options of vests. They have buttons, and it's rated average. And here is the line art. Different choices, but they're button down and sleeveless. And the backs are out on A and B. So that's Simplicity 3067. Now here's McCall's 7387. Like a shirt dress, a different lengths. And this has a different bottom. All of them have different bottoms. So you have the shirts and dresses. And this one is not rated E either on the envelope, but I'm sure it's probably average. It has buttons and pockets. Different lengths. And this is McCall 7387, and here is the line art. I want to say shout out to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Remember to go to the community board to get updated information. And don't forget to check out the sewing game. It's a fun game that's placed, or I use it, or the sewing game is a fun game where each first of each month I ask sewing questions. We just play a game to keep polishing that sewing, and I think you enjoy it. Remember to go back and look at any videos that you have not watched if you would like. And if you're not a member of the Sail Along Sewing community, please join. We'd love to have you. And definitely let me know when you join so I can give you that great big warm welcome. I appreciate you all. So going back through the patterns, I think this is a great one right here. You can get rid of the scraps and have a dress to boot. This is a nice pattern. I've sewn this one several times. I mixed and matched this pattern. And this one, you have 2 for 1. You have the shirt and the bottom. And like I said, it's rated easy. That's great. And this easy breezy looking dress, the KnowMe pattern 2776, short version and a long version. I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming and watching. I'll see you in the next video. Sweet sewing inspiration.